Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see how to make chicken tandoori in a pan. The ingredients we need for this recipe are chicken 750 grams, yogurt 5 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, tandoori chicken powder 3 tablespoons, chili powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 3 tablespoons, oil 5 tablespoons, red food color 3 to 4 drops, and salt as needed. Let's see the procedure to make chicken tandoori in a pan. Chicken tandoori is ready. This is a very tasty recipe. Try this and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.